In this video, I'll show you how to insert signature in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, head over to your Chrome browser, right? This is our Chrome browser, and I'm going to show you how you can insert a signature in your Google Docs, right? So what you need to do, click on these dotted icons, scroll down, click on this Google Docs. So it should be a full step-by-step tutorial. You'll click on this blank document. Once you have clicked on it, wait for it to open. To load for some few seconds. Then once it has opened, I'll come on here. I'll type in HowTo, right? HowTo is an educational YouTube channel, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to come on here. I can come on here and type signed by, right? So I'm going to insert a signature here right now. What you need to do, click on this insert, right? Click on this drawing, click on this new. Then from this displayed options, right? This is what you need to do. You need to click on this select line, select this scribble, right? Once I've selected it, you come on here and draw your signature. My own can be this. So this is my signature now, right? I've drew my signature. You can still come on here and select the color you want, right? It can be black, right? You click on this save and close. Once I've clicked on it, this is your signature. Come on here, reduce it, right? Once I reduced it, you can see that I just signed here right now. So this is how you can insert signature in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.